Hey Russell, this is Viola with Generational Leads, Atlanta, Georgia. And Sandy, thanks for taking the time out to talk to me yesterday. And thanks guys for clicking on this video. Now, I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways that you can improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers. Now, if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's pretty simple because there are a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And it holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially since they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do this themselves and some call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help at the end of this, then give me a call so we could chat. But if you want to do this yourself, please do. I am trying to help as many business owners as I can. Now, I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, your website is a very good looking website. I mean, it's very clean. It has a lot of information, very informational. I love how clean the pictures are. The bright yellow, I love it. It's a good looking site. However, Google doesn't rank based on how good looking your website is though. They rank you mostly based on content. So when somebody goes to Google and they type in fire and water damage restoration, Lawrenceville, that specific, Google is going to put them, their goal is to put them in front of the article that's going to answer all of their questions, which typically is the article that has the most words on it. And the average website on the front page of Google has about 1,890 words on it. And on you guys' website, on the home page, we're looking at about 800 to 900 words in total. So the first thing is you want to up the content on your website, approximately 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page. Let's take a look at your competitor. This is one of your competitors, langfireandwater.com, specifically targeting Atlanta. What's interesting is they're targeting Atlanta, but yet they're outranking you in the Lawrenceville search. So, and if you take a look at their homepage, they don't even have as much content as you guys. So I'm almost 100% sure that once you guys get your content up to 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, you're going to start seeing some traction and moving towards the first page on Google. Now, after that, you want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google bases this off of how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant websites linking to you. For example, I use this tool here called Ahrefs. I pay about $150 a month for it. And the interesting thing about this is this tool lets us know what's going on in the back end of the websites. So when I speak in reference to relevant websites linking to you, you're going to get a lot more power from another restoration company linking to you as opposed to Pizza Hut linking to you, for example, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So I use this tool and it does help me, and it helps me out with a lot of valuable data about what's going on the back end of websites. Now, as you can see, it says you guys have 9 websites linking to you, which is giving you guys about 3 customers per month in organic traffic. Now, it's nothing to scoff at. There are so many other water restoration companies out there that don't even have a website, yet alone have any referring domains or any websites linking to them. But let's take a look at that same competitor that had, the weird looking home page here. Let's take a look at them on the back end. Now, as you can see, they have 20 different websites linking back to them. And that is giving them approximately 76 extra clients per month just off of those 20 referring domains. And in order to beat them out, when it comes to this, I would just go in here, click on it, take a look at all of the other companies, just go down this list, and you could either create an account with these companies or you could just go and click contact us and just ask for a link. But imagine if you beat them with content and you beat them with backlinks, you're going to take their organic ranking, which means you're going to take their organic traffic. And as you saw here on the home page, they are, let's see how much they're ranking. They're getting an extra $877 per month. Now, I'm sure you guys could imagine if you had that extra $877. I mean, that's a good amount of business. That's why it's so important to do this. Now, when somebody, let's go back to Google, when somebody clicks on fire, water, and restoration, the other thing I want to talk to you about is we spoke about content, we spoke about backlinks. Let's talk about citations. All right. A lot of times people skip these ads, whether it be because of ad blockers or bad experiences. So where you're going to want to rank yourself is in the local map pack section, which is right here. And getting here requires that you have more citations than your competitors. So what is a citation? A citation is anywhere where you are, where your name address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisors. I mean, these are just the most common ones. The best strategy here is to figure out exactly what directories your competitors are in and put yourself in the same directories and then add a bunch more on top. So for example, here's Lawrenceville Fire Restoration, or here's ServPro. You know, these three right here, somebody's going to click on that if they're looking, because, and 9 times out of 10, these are going to be the easiest customers to close because they are specific about what they want. They have 18 citations. You guys need to get in at least 20, the same 18 they're in, and then add another 50 on top of that. So that's pretty much all I have for you. Like I said, we went over content. You want to get your homepage upwards 1,500 to 2,000 words. Oh, another key thing. You see all these pictures here? You want to save all these pictures as a keyword that you're targeting. So what you want to do is, it's good to have them as Service Master Gwinnett or Service Master, etc. However, you already have that here. Let's choose a keyword that's going to help you get a step ahead on Google when people are searching for you on that. Because Google doesn't recognize how pretty the pictures are. They recognize the words behind the pictures, if that makes sense. So we went over content. We went over backlinks. You want to basically get at least, let's see how much your competitor has. They have 20. You want to get at least 25 to 50 referring domains in order to beat them out. I mean, they're so beatable for them to be on the first page and not have that much. But that just goes to show you're just a step away from getting there. And last but not least, citations. You want to get in as many directories as possible with your business name, address, and phone number. Now, if you want to do all this yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. However, just send me some feedback. Let me know if this was valuable information. If you want any help doing this, you can give us a call. Our phone number is 404-345-2771. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.